Today, June 27, we detected 30,000 unusual options on Marvel technology, MRVL. And so in this video, we will analyze what this unusual options activity means for this stock. Is this bearish or bullish? What is the strategy? So let's get right to it. When we take a look at the options tape, we'll see here 9,068 strike calls. We'll see here again multiple times around this noon time, all being executed on the bid price. That's why it's red. It does not necessarily mean they're buying or selling, but they are all being done at the bid price, right? And when we take a look and filter through it, you'll also see that sometimes it's not always going to be at the bid price. So you'll see here, let's filter the 68 strike prices. So this is all the times when it was being executed. And you'll see that here we have, there was a time, you'll see here, where this was being executed at the ask price. And that's why it's green, right? And as I mentioned, green does not necessarily mean that they were buying it, okay? And so sometimes this gets very confusing when people analyze unusual options and they look at this and they might think, hey, this, maybe they bought this 68 strike call, right? Same over here. And so this as well. So this is what this is mean. Our analysis based on other data that we also analyze, which goes beyond the scope of this video, does tell us that this is a sell over here at the 68 strike calls. We also have data where we believe that this strategy is being done through something called a covered stock over here. So what happens is they have stock. When you analyze this trade, you'll see that this is moderately bullish. However, we don't know what price they got their stock at, because they could have stock prior hand already, and all they're doing is selling that 68 strike call because the $68 price, you'll see here, the break even here is 68.38. If it doesn't break 68.38, they would be able to collect and be profitable with that premium that they sold those calls. Because if you look at the chart, you'll see here that Marvel has never broken this $68 level. This 52-week high, $67.99. So quite unusual to be right at 99 cents. And so that's why this $68 price that they're selling it at is, in a way, collecting credit off of their stock position, because they don't think that Marvel will break this resistance, and they want to make sure to collect some credit with what they currently have, with the stock position that they have, because they know that this will not necessarily break up, and at least what they could do is collect premium to reduce their cost basis, whatever price they bought Marvel at on their stock position. Okay, and so this is a covered call strategy, and yeah, hope this was something helpful and you learned something. And please smash that like button, and as usual, subscribe if you haven't. Hit the bell icon. You'll be notified whenever we detect unusual options activity. And if you are interested in other stocks besides Marvel, we do have analysis videos on other stocks with unusual options for our members that joined our membership. We have exclusive videos, access to that, so you can trade those and diversify your portfolio, and also see how we trade by looking at our trade strategies, because we don't follow the exact trades of these unusual options. And so you'll see that many times the trades that they are being done are not necessarily the best, and there are better trade strategies that can mitigate the risk that is being done with these unusual options. Okay, all right, hope this was helpful. Again, please take care, everybody, and have a wonderful evening.